Hey guys, welcome to Serious Eats by Sampada. Today I am going to show you how to make very delicious Rasmalai cake and also decorate the cake with beautiful whipped cream roses. So watch this recipe till end and give my recipe a big thumbs up, and don't forget to share the video with your friends and family. So let's get started. To make cake base for the Rasmalai cake, add 1.5 cup of hot milk in a mixing bowl. In that add 1/4 cup of butter. I am using salted butter. If you are using normal butter, then add pinch of salt. Then add 7 to 8 strands of saffron. Add 2 teaspoons of cardamom powder and 2 teaspoons of crushed pistachios and almonds. Mix all these ingredients and keep it aside. Now we are going to sift our dry ingredients. For that, in a mixing bowl, sift 2 cup of maida. As we are making eggless cake, sifting will incorporate lots of air and will make our cake fluffy and spongy. So sifting is very important. After maida, add 1 cup of powdered sugar. You can use icing sugar also. And then add half cup of milk powder, half teaspoon baking soda and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Now slowly add our dry ingredients in our milk and butter mixture. Also add 2 teaspoons of rose water. I am using edible rose water just to give the essence to our cake. And mix all this till no lumps form. Friends, as you can see, our cake batter with perfect consistency is ready. Now it's time to grease our cake tin. I am using this 8-inch cake tin and I have greased the cake tin and the parchment paper with the help of butter. As I am going to decorate the cake with whipped cream roses, so I am using this larger cake tin, that is 8-inch cake tin. Now pour all the batter and tap the cake tin so it will remove all the airs from the cake tin. Bake the cake in microwave at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes, and I am using convection mode for the baking. Friends, it's been 35 minutes and my cake is baked perfectly. I can show you by inserting the knife in it. No batter stick to the knife, means our cake is ready. Take out the cake from the cake tin. Also remove the parchment paper. Friends, as you can see, our cake is become super spongy and fluffy. Now place the cake on a wire rack like this to cool down. As I am going to make 2 layers of cake, so I have made this another cake base. You can divide the single cake base in 2 separate parts also. Now it's time to whip some cream. For that, take 2 cup of thick cream and with the help of electric hand blender, whip the cream till it forms stiff peak. It generally takes 4 to 5 minutes on high speed. You can see whipped cream is ready. Friends, as you can see, I have divided the cream in 2 portions. The larger portion I am using for the leveling the cake, and smaller one I am keeping in fridge for the rose decoration. Since it requires chilled cream to make roses, now add yellow food color and mix it. Alright, whipped cream is ready. Keep it aside. Friends, let's see what are the things are required to decorate delicious Rasmalai cake. These 2 cake base, then this rotating cake stand, round cake board to place our cake on it, then whipped cream. This is palette knife to level the cake, and this is the serrated knife. This knife is used to cut the cake and level the cake by cutting. And this is very interesting thing. It's a flower nail which is completely homemade. It is also available in market, but I made it at home. It's a screw, plastic screw, and the black one is a jar lid. I have secured the lid and the screw with the help of tape so that it can rotate like this. I will show you the use of that later. This is the icing bag. 1/4 cup of crushed pistachios, 1/4 cup of dried rose petal. These petals are available in any cake shop, or you can dry some rose petal at home. And this one is a cake scraper, which is used to scrape the sides of the cake. And this is the nozzle I am going to use to make whipped cream roses. I am using this Noor 44 number nozzle. And last but not the least, the very important Rasmalai. I am using this homemade Rasmalai with good amount of rabdi, but you can also bring it from market. Okay, then let's start our cake decoration. For that, place cake board on our cake stand and place a cake on cake board. As you can see, my cake is already flat, so no need to cut very large portion. Just simply cut thin layer as shown, so it can absorb the rabdi which we are going to spread. Spread good amount of rabdi on cake. Take doll of cream and spread it evenly with the help of palette knife. On the top of cream, sprinkle some rose petals and then place another layer and repeat the procedure. Only do not sprinkle rose petal on the topmost layer, as we are going to decorate the cake with the help of rose petals. Once we done with second layer, apply cream on sides as well. After covering the cake with whipped cream, scrape the sides of cake with this scraper. Now clean the cake board by using tissue paper. To fill the cream in icing bag, take any medium sized glass and cut the tip of icing bag with the help of scissor. Take a nozzle and insert it in piping bag. With the help of scissor, cut icing bag so that only tip of nozzle come out of. Put icing bag in a glass as shown. Take another bowl of whipped cream which we have kept in fridge and add some yellow food color in that. Fill the piping bag with this whipped cream. And take out some cream on palette knife. Our icing bag is ready. Let's begin to make whipped cream roses. For that, take a flower nail and the icing bag. To make the roses, hold the smaller tip upside. Firstly, squeeze some cream as shown. We have to make the petals like the rainbow shape. So pipe like this, start from the down, then up, and then again down, as I am doing. Now for the second layer, increase the number of petals. Now for the third layer, increase the number of petals again by 1 or 2. To make beautiful roses, simply follow the rainbow shape as I am doing. Also increase the number of petals as you are increasing the number of layers. By keeping the smaller tip of the nozzle upside. Here I have made 4 layers of rose. Friends, look at the rose. Isn't it looking like real yellow rose? Now with the help of spoon, place the rose on the cake. Let's make another rose. This flower nail is also available in market. But if you don't want to buy it from market, you can DIY it as I shown. To form the petals in good shape, you have to use chilled whipped cream. Likewise, I have done these beautiful 5 roses. Isn't it looking very beautiful on our cake? In between 2 roses, I am going to place this Rasmalai. Now I am going to decorate my cake with this dried rose petal. So apply these petals on sides and the top of the cake as well. Also apply some chopped pistachios. Friends, here our delicious Rasmalai cake is ready. If you like the recipe, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for new wonderful recipe updates. Also share the video with your friends and family and let me know your comments in the comment section below.